Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is undoubtedly the best washroom organizer on the market, the Moforoco Shower Caddy Shelf Organizer Rack. This sleek and durable shower caddy is designed to transform your bathroom into a tidy, stylish, and highly functional space without the hassle of drilling or complicated installation. The Moforoco Shower Caddy features a modern farmhouse design with a powder-coated black finish that not only looks great but is built to last. Crafted from 100% premium alloy steel, this organizer is rust-proof and sturdy, making it perfect for humid bathroom environments. Its durable metal construction ensures it can hold up to 40 pounds, providing plenty of strength for your shampoo bottles, soaps, and other essentials. One of the standout features of this shower caddy is its strong, self-adhesive mounting system. You won't need any tools or drilling for installation. Instead, it uses an upgraded transparent, non-marking adhesive that provides strong stability on any smooth surface, from tiles to glass. Once installed, it holds firmly in place without worrying about slipping or falling off. The installation is straightforward and quick. Just press the adhesive onto the wall and hang the shelf. The design itself offers two spacious shelves with a fence on each to prevent items from falling off. The bottom of the shelves has a clever spacer design to allow water drainage, which helps keep your products dry and avoids the buildup of mold or mildew. This thoughtful feature is especially important in a wet environment like a shower. Besides the bathroom, this organizer can also be used in kitchens, RVs, and even living rooms or bedrooms to maximize your space and keep things neat and accessible. Its versatility makes it a great addition to any home or travel setup, perfect for apartments, campers, or first-time homeowners. Each package includes two shower caddies with hooks and adhesive pads, plus an instruction manual to guide you through the simple setup process. If you ever need extra adhesives, Moforoco offers replacements that are easy to order. Measuring 10 inches deep, 3 inches wide, and 5 inches high, the shelves are compact enough to fit in most spaces but still provide ample storage. The black powder-coated finish not only adds a stylish touch but also ensures long-lasting protection against water and rust. In summary, the Moforoco Shower Caddy Shelf Organizer Rack offers a perfect balance of form and function. It's a durable, rust-proof, and easy-to-install solution that keeps your bathroom essentials organized without damaging your walls. Whether you're looking to upgrade your home bathroom or add practical storage in a rental or RV, this is the organizer to consider. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking for an organizer that combines quality, style, and convenience, the Moforoco Shower Caddy is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews. See you next time.